see from the thumbnail, it's a DIY face mask for car guys, kind of, you know? I mean, anyone can do it, really. But I guarantee only car guys carry this in their car. But again, like, I was going to Domino's about a week ago or so. I pulled up to the door. I went in, I was like, oh shit, I don't have my face mask. They kicked me out, so I went outside, dug through my car, trying to find a face mask to put on real quick to get my pizza. I didn't want to drive all the way home, then all the way back, and my pizza would be super cold by then. So I was digging through my car, rummaging around, like, there's gotta be something in my car I can use for a face mask. Then I found these Scott blue paper towels, not sponsored by the way, that I use to clean my windows and stuff, like Windex, or I wipe down things in my car. I have these always in my car, I wipe down anything I find is dirty. Because, you know, as car guys, we have to keep our cars really clean, and we like to keep towels around, especially these ones, because these ones don't fall apart at all. And as I was sitting there, I'm like, you know what, maybe these can do it. So this is the exact same paper towel I used. I ripped off 3 sheets, 3 sheets length, folded it in half, and I put it around my face and tied it off. You know, kind of like this. I had it all tied off. But after I did that, I walked in there, they said shit. They let me get my pizza and I left. Again, like, for like a quick, in and out trip, you don't have any face masks, maybe you should use some of your blue paper towels, and I'll kind of like a quick DIY face mask on the fly, because again, no one wants to have cold pizza, so that's kind of what I did. Just so you guys know, little tip, little secret out there. If you need a face mask or on the fly, you can quickly grab one, rip it up, tie it up, and boom, you're good to go. So if you guys think this is kind of a funny story and want to hear more stories like this, please like, comment, subscribe. I got tons of more stories like this, and peace.